If I lost everything today and needed to make $1,000 fast, I would not overthink it. No structured businesses, no audiences, definitely no excuses, just a straight plan of attack. This is exactly what I would start doing immediately. You know, most people stay broke because they overcomplicate actually making money and earning an income. You don't need the absolute perfect plan. You just need to actually move. So here's my exact approach. The first thing I would do, selling, right? Not building, not planning, not scaling, just selling. Use your own time to sell something to someone. You could close deals for someone else, work as an apprentice under them, or start by selling a simple service. Social media help, lead gen, learn AI, etc. You don't need a specific product. You just need a problem to solve, right? So one of the things I've learned is the fastest way to make money is to help someone else make money as well, or help them save money, right? And the reality is sales can get a bad rap, but most people avoid sales, and that's why people stay stuck, right? You're earning based on what you're worth. That's the reality of it, right? And how hard you work. So I would definitely start selling something. Number two, you could do this as well, or you could do it, in place of selling, but it's still selling at the end of the day, is a local service, right? Pressure washing, car detailing, cleaning up someone's yards, cutting their yard. If I needed money this week, I'm going around either knocking on doors, handing out flyers, etc. If it makes sense, right? Find those communities, right? Middle income, maybe even middle upper income, right? And go knock on some doors, right? Pressure wash, car detail. A lot of people are scared to do this, but if you're a young guy, young woman, right? People will hear you out. Not everyone, right? That door slammed on my face too, but some people are willing to hear you out. And they'd rather give their money to an independent individual like yourself that's young and hungry, right? Or just hungry, maybe you're older, than a massive corporation to go wash their car or something like that, right? Think a little bit outside of the box, but you don't have to reinvent the wheel. And you can literally start doing this weekend, right? You're one afternoon away or one day away from making, $300, $400, $500, right? Don't reinvent the wheel. Reality is people think that they're above this, but they're not, especially when they're in the situation that they put themselves in. And those are usually the people that are also broke. Okay. Move number 3, use AI. Don't depend on AI to move faster, right? Use the AI to speed everything up, right? Have it write out messages for you, do outreach, create offers and descriptions, simple content that can help you scale once it makes sense. AI doesn't directly make you money. It just makes you faster than everyone else. And you can provide a better service because you're only one person at the end of the day unless you have a team. So that can act as your teammate as you scale this thing. However, you will have to actually still take action. So quick recap, right? You sell first and start with local services. I don't care if it's an insurance product that you have to sell or that you would like to sell, health insurance, life insurance, annuities, a real estate fund, doesn't matter, right? You can start with that. Or, and in contingent with, right? You could use local services like we already mentioned. Wash someone's car, do an immaculate job, right? Clean it inside and out, right? Doesn't matter. And now if you actually do this for 30 days, $1,000, even $2,000 plus is not crazy at all, guys. There is so much money that's floating through, our fingertips every single day. You just have to reach out and grab a little bit of it, right? And the problem isn't about lack of opportunity. There's, no one has money anymore. The economy, blah, blah, blah. It's about your execution. And if you're willing to make it happen, it will happen, right? So that's about it for this one. Comment which one that you would actually start with and subscribe, dropping new videos every single week.